The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for Northeastern Denton County in north-central Texas until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Denton, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Krugerville around 6:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Aubrey and Ray Roberts Park Isle du Bois around 7:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Pilot Point around 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 473 and 476. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.